Hello friends, and welcome back to tutorial number 8. And today we're going to be focusing on the Siticone checkbox. So let's get started. I'm going to drag and drop the Siticone checkbox onto the WinForms, and we're going to see how we can customize this checkbox. So it's either you can use the smart tags or you can use the properties tab. I'm going to use the properties tab. So a Siticone checkbox control is like any other checkbox control, but it applies some animations, and also it allows you to fully customize the control according to your design needs. So let me change the name to check me, please. Yes, and let me change the font to 10 pt. Right, so let's run the project to see what we've got. So I've just changed the name or the text only, and we haven't made any other customization. So let's see what we've got so far. So far is just basic check and uncheck with no animations enabled. So let's try to make some customizations and configure some animations. Let's change the font to say Joy, 10 regular. Let's change the cursor to hands. Right, so now let's make some cool customization. When it is unchecked, you can see from the unchecked state, we can set the border color to hot track. The fill color should be white, and for the border color to show, we have to set a border thickness. So I'm going to set 2 as the border thickness. When it is checked, the border color should remain as hot track, and the fill color should be hot track, and border thickness will remain as 2. And we're going to enable the animations. Let's see when we save and run the project what we've got so far. Let's give it a moment to load. There it is. So let's check, uncheck. You can see some animations being applied when the checkbox is checked or unchecked. We can even customize the border style. At the moment, the border style is solid, but we can make it dash, we can make it dot, or dash dot. So let's try the dash dot border style on the checkbox. Here is the checkbox, and when we select the checkbox, it is checked, unchecked, and the border style is applied. Let's change the border style to something like dash, and let's try again to see what we've got so far. Yes, this is what we have. So this is the Siticone checkbox. You can go ahead and change the customization. You can even change the color of the checkbox. For example, you can set the check mark to black, and when the checkbox is checked, you can set the border color to white. You can even set the fill color to white, so that we have a check only. Let's try to see what we have so far. There it is. So you can go ahead and customize this checkbox according to your needs. You can use the smart text, or you can use the property tabs to customize this Siticone checkbox. You can set the animation to true or to false, but I prefer the animation set to true, so that we can see beautiful animations on check and uncheck events firing. Thank you guys for joining me in this video, and I invite you, please, if you haven't subscribed, to do so that you don't miss out as we will continue to post many videos. My name is Russell Chidakwa. I work as a developer with the Siticone development team, and thank you for being here with me. Cheers.